Okay. I was supposed to get my teeth cleaned at Arby's Ortho Dental, but I got here a little bit early. They open at 9:30 and I got here at 8:30, so I have about an hour to kill before they open. I'm just trying to do a walk-in, no appointment, and maybe get some like fillings for cavities. Oh no, just left me here. He has to go to work. I'm just walking around. Let's try to cross traffic. See if I don't get killed or ran over by cars and tricycles. It's pretty hectic. Let's try crossing. Jaywalking anywhere. The Filipino experience. Shit, it's scary. Damn it. Here we go, we're crossing on an opening. That was pretty easy. I actually crossed to get into the shade because it's hella hot. Now we look for something to do. Shit. Look at all this. A little bit scary. I get hit. There's no sidewalk, so I'm walking on the road. A water store. In the Philippines, I've noticed that there's a lot of people get water in these blue jugs, and it's pretty much just mineral water. You really gotta watch where you're going when you're walking on the road here, because people are just driving anywhere, whenever they want. Like they're making U-turns, turning into streets, and like stopping anywhere. So it's a little bit hectic. It's a little bit overwhelming at first, but I'm still trying to get used to it. Mary Boy Healing Massage. Does that mean I'll be a happy boy after the massage? Let's go. So I'm supposed to go there. Wait, it's not it. Yeah. Arby's Dental, or Arby's Ortho Dental. That's where I'm waiting for it to open. Guess I'll just chill here at the Alpha Mart. So they actually open at 9, the dentist place. And it's like 9:05 right now. Let's try crossing the street again. I'm right across the dental place, the dental office. So I gotta get through the other side. Shit. There we go. Just jaywalking. Alright. It's just scary. Oh my god. I'll just wait outside. Hinihintay mo yung dentista? Yung dentista? Cleaning, mag-linas. Apo.
9 o'clock?
9 o'clock, mga 9:20 na. Ano papagawa mo? Bunot? Isang ngipin? Tatlo? Sumasakit?
Hindi. Ako dito.
Okay.
Papunta ako tatlo.
Noon, anong oras bumubukas? 10:30 minsan? Dumating ako dito 8:30.
Nakaraan, dumating ako 8 o'clock.
Ilang oras naghintay ka?
30 dumating, nasa na yan.
Dito na. So, Hiromi actually waited for me outside of the dentist. I didn't know he was gonna be there waiting for me. Auntie Rosie saw my Facebook post that I was at the dentist, and now I'm heading back home. Going back to the Looban.
Back to Looban again.
Opo. Yung motor mo, sino nagpapagawa kung may delikado?
Onad.
Si Onad. So I got my teeth cleaned, and they took a lot of calculus out, a lot of tartar. Plaque is what turns into tartar. Like you can still brush plaque away, but once it hardens or calcifies, you need to go to the dentist to get it removed. And it's pretty cheaper. I don't know how much each process was, but I paid $3,000, about $60 for 2 fillings and teeth cleaning. Goes my ride. Onal's dad, Hiromi. Thanks, Kia, for taking me back here.
French fries.
French fries. Cheese fries? Wow. I just got to the dentist. Nagpalinis ako ng ngipin.